In this video, I will show you how to use filter function for horizontal filter dates. For example, I want to filter the data sheet on date range sheet. In this case, I will click on row 5, simply type equal, click on example tab, click on A1 and now simply hit Ctrl Shift down arrow key and hit enter. Next, I will click on B5, simply type equal, filter function, open parenthesis, what is the array? I will click on example tab and click on B2. Now simply type Ctrl Shift right arrow key and Ctrl Shift down arrow key to select all of the data sheet. Now I will click on formula bar. For the include parameter, I will simply type open parenthesis and now click on B1 cell and simply hit Ctrl Shift right arrow key, and this is how we select all of our header dates. Now I will type condition. So whenever these dates are greater than equal to, I will click on date range sheet now and simply select start date, close parenthesis. Now since we want to filter out the data between two dates range, so in this case I will simply type steric, open parenthesis one more time, and now I will simply select the condition from here. Hit Ctrl C, click here, Ctrl V. Instead of greater than or equal to, I will simply change this to, let's say, less than or equal to, and now I will click on B2 cell, close parenthesis and close parenthesis for filter function, hit enter, and this is how our data is filtered out using this simple filter function. Now if I change the date, let's say for example I want to filter out the data from 8/1 to 8/15 and simply hit enter, everything dynamically update. Now I will show you how to sum the data between those two date range. On column A, I have the same formula. I will simply click on B6 and type filter function again. Click on example tab. In this case, I will click on B2 and now simply hit Ctrl Shift right arrow key, Ctrl Shift down arrow key. This is how we select all of our data sheet. Now I will move to B2 cell again, click on formula bar and simply type comma. For the include parameter, I will type open parenthesis, click on B1 cell, simply type Ctrl Shift right arrow key. Whenever this is greater than or equal to, now switch to SUMIF tab and simply click on A2, close parenthesis, type steric, open parenthesis again, and now I will copy the include parameter condition from here. Hit Ctrl C, click here, Ctrl V, whenever this is less than or equal to, and now I will click on B2 cell, close parenthesis for filter function, hit enter. Of course, we get the same result, but now I want to sum all of the result row by row. For example, I want to sum all of the data row by row. Now what I need to do, I will simply type by row function. After equal sign, simply hit space, left arrow key, and simply type by row function, open parenthesis, what is the array? This whole function result is my array. On the very end, click and simply type comma. Now define lambda function, open parenthesis. For the parameter, I will define either x, hit comma, and now I will simply define some function, open parenthesis, what is the number 1? I will simply type x, close parenthesis for some function, lambda function, and by row function, hit enter, and this is how we dynamically sum if all of the data sheet. Now why this function is important? For example, I will define a header name, let's say total amount, and now I will select all of my data sheet, click on insert, click on recommended chart. In this case, for example, I will insert this column chart. You can do a little bit more formatting, whatever you want. For example, I can choose this design. For now, I will delete the data label. And now if I change my date range, for example, 8:30. So this is how everything dynamically updates. Now I will show you the same formula quickly in Google Sheet. Now in Google Sheet, I have the same data sheet. What I need to do, I will click on date range and simply click on A5, simply type equal, click on example tab. In this case, I will click A1 and simply type Control Shift down arrow key. But in this case, I must need to type Control Shift Enter to apply array formula and now hit enter. Now I will click on B5 cell and simply type filter function open parenthesis. What is the range? I will click on example tab. Click on B1 and simply hit Control Shift right arrow key, Control Shift down arrow key. This is how we select all of our data set. Now I will click on formula bar, hit comma, and here we need to define condition by condition. I will off this suggestion for now and click on B1. Simply type Control Shift right arrow key and I will simply define greater than equal to. Click on date range, click on A2. Now hit comma. In this case, I don't need to type open and close parenthesis steric sign because we can define each and every condition separately in Google Sheet. I will copy the same condition, hit Ctrl C, click here, Ctrl V. In this case, I want less than or equal to, and now I will click on B2 cell, close parenthesis, and simply hit enter. This is how we filter our data set from horizontal data set. I hope you liked the video and learned something useful.